Hey students, here I am with a half sheet of watercolor paper and I am going to draw some colorful harvested corn. So I'm first going through my drawing with pencil and then I'm going to outline it in Sharpie. But I drew my corn first, just like a big long oval, and then my husks are just lines up to the top of my paper. Now here I am outlining the whole thing in Sharpie. I'm adding some little wrinkles to my husks with the very tip of my Sharpie, just because I think they look nice. And now here I am gritting out my corn kernels. And watch this. So now you can see that I'm kind of drawing circles in these different corn kernels. The reason I'm doing that is because corn kernels aren't perfectly square, but in my grid, they're made perfectly square. I think drawing these circles makes my corn kernels look a little bit more real. And I like the imperfection of it. I have kind of a shaky hand, so these kind of come out shaky, but I think it makes it even more authentic. Because every corn, head, no, that's not what they're called, ear of corn, every ear of corn is different. And so that's what I'm doing there. Now it's about time for me to get to watercoloring. And with watercoloring this, I am going to use mostly warm colors, and by warm colors I mean red, orange, and yellow, and then I'm also going to use what I call my honorary warm color, which is actually a cool color, but it gets mistaken for a warm color, and that is purple. So you can see I'm adding a little bit of purpley red in there too. And then lastly, I'm going to add some brown, because that just seems like a natural choice for fall colors. It makes sense. I'm adding some brown in there, and to get some variations of brown, I mix brown with my different colors. I'll mix a brownish yellow, brownish red, brownish orange, brownish purpley red, and I'm filling in all my kernels. If the kernels are next to each other and they're the same color, that's fine, but I like to make it sort of a checkered thing, so I'm trying to disperse the different colors. I'm going and I'm putting a very light yellow up here with my corn husk, nice and bright, and then I'm taking some brown, I'm putting that towards the bottom, kind of trying to smear it out so it's not too dark, adding that to the wrinkly part of my husks. Lastly, I'm just going to add a nice background with a big flat brush, and that's blue. We're getting towards the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy this little project. I did. Happy Thanksgiving!